Hey folks, Rob Satcham, Feedbackwrench. One of the things that we use in order to help involve you in the process of our designs is a tool called Figma. And what's going to happen here is we have a design format, and it looks a bit like this. And what we will do is invite you to the tool so that you can view it. Once you're in, you can click and zoom or pinch and zoom or scroll in order to see what we're all looking at here, and you'll be able to see how the website appears or any of our designs look. We use this for websites, we use it for social media graphics and other things. The core function that we want you to do is to use this tool up here, which is the comment feature, or you can hit C in order to do this. Once you hit this, you'll notice on the right hand side there are a number of comments. You will now be able to go to a certain area, click on it, and leave your own comment and tell us what you like. So you'll be able to, you can post short comments, long comments, and if you know what you want something to say, perhaps you could click on this heading and say, and leave an actual heading that you'd prefer it to say. So you'll use the comment features. We read the comments. Our design team will be notified of the comments, but this tool is really powerful. Now you won't be able to edit unless you have your own Figma account, which isn't hard, and we do that with some customers so that you could do your own copywriting. But this is the tool that we use in our design element creation, as well as mocking up the entire website. We appreciate your business. Hopefully this is helpful, and welcome to the Feedbackwrench family.